All right, I'm pretty pumped about this. 161 60 foot. That's awesome. Dead hooking. Quarter mile, 1079 mile an hour, 138.5. That is awesome. Let's go up front and see how we got there. Hey, what's up, everybody? Brett from Brand Speed. Thanks for watching Brand Speed TV. Something different today. Hey, it's my ride. So you're not looking at one of my clients. We had a crazy idea one day. You know, all these 50-seat superchargers available for the new Mustangs. We were like, can we put one on a new Mustang and go out and run 10s? So here's what we decided. Let's buy the heaviest S550 Mustang we can get, which this right here is a 2019 GT loaded out drop top. We're talking nav, heated cool seats, everything. We're running the Roush Phase 2, 750 horsepower supercharger, and I wanted a set of headers, so I went with stainless power. So that's all that's on this car right here, as well as some Mickey Thompson tires, race star wheels that I had laying around, because you got to put the power down to the ground of the track. So stick around, check us out. We're going to make dyno pulls. We're going to watch a drag video and see what it took to get where this car ended up right now. All right, here's what I did. Hey, leave a comment if you out there have used that website Carvana. I've never used it before. This is the first vehicle I bought off that. And I was like, got on the website, searched Carvana, found this car. I didn't want to put a bunch of money out. We're talking 18 newer Mustang, all right? I didn't want to put too much money in for this project. So I found one located, came out of California, already had 30,000 miles. It was a rental car. So I thought that's kind of cool. Let's buy this rental car. Let's do this project and see if we can dip down into the 10s on a heavy ass convertible. This thing with me in it, well over 4,000 pounds. But Doug, TVS 2650 Roush Supercharger. I'm going to tell you guys why I did this. Take a look at it. You get everything. You get the fuel injectors, the TVS unit. It's intercooled. Now, I put this kit on. It is the upgraded Roush Phase 2, which means has a larger heat exchanger. But you get the nice air induction system, the larger heat exchanger, and most importantly, if you have a new Mustang, you get a Roush 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty, which is a lot important for someone that just goes and buys a brand new Mustang off the lot. You want to buy a kit, you want 750 horsepower flywheel, and you want to have a warranty. This is a good kit because it doesn't cost any extra money, and they'll honor that. And Ford, like a Roush dealer or someone like us, could handle any warranty work, but I don't predict you're going to have that problem. We're going to take a look in a second at the headers, but that's the Roush TVS 2650 Supercharger. That was part 1 of this build. So Doug, come over here. I'm going to show you part 2 of the build. I wanted to run stainless power headers because of the price. So right here, stainless power headers are made by Stainless Works. This is what a long tube header from them looks like. And I'm just showing this because some of you may not know. This is what your stock exhaust manifold looks like. So you can see that big difference. These are 1 7/8. I went with free-flowing exhaust. I'm running stock mufflers. And this is what the factory is. Of course, you have factory cat, so I eliminated that. So from a mod standpoint, I have the Roush Supercharger, and I have a set of long tubes. Besides that, stock with sticky tires. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to watch a dyno pull. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. And check that description, because everything I'm talking about right now, I know it's a lot. I have links so you can click on it and read a little bit more about it. Check out this pull. All right, before we look at these numbers, I just want to say, man, I can't really believe I bought a convertible. I mean, actually, I really like this car. I've never had one. So, you know, I buy a lot of cars. I do a lot of racing with them. So convertible is not the ideal thing for that. But that's not really what this project was about. We're not like building a drag car. I just wanted to get a really fun ride. And I'll tell you, my kids love it. They're always like, put the top down, let's go on a cruise. And you know, convertible, the heaviest vehicle you can get. And I thought that'd be a perfect vehicle to see what we could do, putting a 50 state kit on it and see what it would run at the track. But I like it. It's a fun ride. Doug, come over here, look at these numbers. Okay, so it's an automatic. Here they are. Doug, check this out. 676 rear wheel horsepower at 6,800 RPM. I'm gonna explain that in a minute. Torque came in stellar 574 at 5,000 RPM. Now, when you drive a car like this, and you have the Roush calibration on it, you're gonna go higher than 6,800, but because of it being the automatic and that speed we're going, I'm hitting the speed limiter on the dyno. So it's shutting down at 6,800. Probably if you ran her up to like 73, you might be like 690, but still 676 of the tires with the Roush TVS Supercharger, 50 state kit, and the single power headers. I love it, and it was enough power to do exactly what I want to do. So speaking of that, check out this drag video. All right, hope you like that drag video. Sorry, you know, the quality is really hard to see. It was super bright out there. It's hard to zoom in on the end, but 1079 at 138 mile an hour. All I literally did was put the automatic down into sport mode, stalled it up, hammered it, let it do its thing. So these kits have a lot of potential. This car has a lot of potential, but I'm really happy with the way it sits. Well over 4,000 pounds with me in it. You put the top down in the summer, enjoy yourself, have a killer street car, and go to the track and have a respectable car as well. And don't forget, Roush, when you buy this for your street car, you get that 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. So go buy a brand new Mustang, get 750 flywheel horsepower, have a warranty to go along with it. So again, please subscribe and notify. I'm Brent from BrentSpeed. Have any questions, leave a comment. You want a kit like this installed, you can always email quote@brentspeed.com and check that description, because I'll fill it full of links of everything on this car right here, which isn't much. My stainless power long tube headers, the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger kit, and Race Star wheels, Mickey Thompson tires. Thanks for watching.